sorry.
Why are you saying sorry? I should say sorry. Sorry.
Sorry.
Why?
I know we're trying our best naman, di ba?
Yeah. Alam mo, iniisip ko na lang kanina. They don't mean anything bad sa votings nila. It's just 2 weeks ka pa lang dito. And siguro, other housemates are more open than us. Maybe binis lang nila doon. Maybe yung nasa isip nila is they really have to vote.
Habang si AZ nagbahagi ng saloobin kay Kira.
I might talk to Mika about how I feel. Like, I wanna talk to her about how I've been feeling. And about the things that I kind of said about her.
I just want to be better. Before naman, hindi naman mataas yung boundaries ko. But I feel like I've just been hurt so many times, kaya feeling ko, ayun ang taas ng walls ko. So hard.
No one's asking you to put down your boundaries. It's okay. I'm sorry.
Why are you saying
Kasi ako yung
no?
dulo. Tapos dulo mo pa ako. Baka masama kita.
Kaya dati to.
I feel so guilty. And I've said really harsh things.
Even I got pissed off.
I don't know if I should still tell her that.
I felt guilty when she got that red flag. Hindi ko in-expect that anybody would actually get the red flag. And I just felt bad dahil alam kong nakakontribute ako doon.
Naawa ako sa kanya nung she got the red flag. Kasi if I got the red flag, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know how to react.
I wanna start over with her, honestly.
Yeah.
Lumambot yung puso ko po para sa kanya. Na napa-overthink ako na masyado ba akong harsh sa pagsalita about sa kanya? Masyado bang harsh yung pag-iisip ko about sa kanya? Kailangan ko na talaga siya kausapin. Itama ang mali po.